probably why she waited for me.
Rose Mansion. If you're ready to drink some rose, say rose. Rose. All best group yet. You just made me feel better already. Thanks, friends.
What?
I don't drink, so y'all can have it.
We don't like it.
You don't like it?
I don't drink it. I got to stop by. We don't like it. It's so bitter. Like, it ain't do nothing for me. Yeah. So, okay, we're not the only ones. We're not the one who doesn't think it's good. So you like it? You want the wall? You want this wall?
I love candy.
Give me a jacket.
The candy tastes really good. To be sweet.
Okay. Yeah. Sweet. That's mine? Yeah. Thank you. You can put it in the box.
It tastes light and delicate.
Thank you. Can you give this to my mom? It really don't matter how it tastes. I guess I just don't like it. But it's not bad. It's the best one. This one is the best one.
This is what I put on mine. Not dry.
Like, give it to me.
We're going in, guys.
So now that we have our sparkling room, this is our sparkling rosé of the day. So this is from Northern California.
I think I'm gonna like this one.
If you like champagne, you'll most likely like this. It's similar in nature, but it has a subtle sweetness at the end.
You actually look happy.
I like
oh
it.
my god.
I like it, thank you. I like the sparkling.
I like the sparkling.
Okay.
Be able to get out.
Guys, look at the tubbies.
Like, don't be ridiculous.
Alright, so this is what we're working with.
I saw people do that one. They're dancing, doing the, I guess it's the boomerang.
There's no standing and dancing on me, so we gotta...
I don't even care about the cup. I just want the pin.
There you go.
Wait, are they all the same?
Yeah, they're all the same.
Okay.
I'll take it. Thank you kindly.
It's okay. All right. Wait, boomerang or you guys want the... All right. Woo! So you never have to leave from beside me, because I want you. And I got for you always. I'm about to do a boomerang.
I could probably do it like that. I'll do a boomerang on the phone.
All right.
This is all of you? I thought there was more. No.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Wait, I'm gonna save it. We're leaving, guys.